how to create checklist in Notes app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create checklist on your Notes app. So let's dive right in. Open up your Notes app first, and then you can see the pencil like icon at the bottom right. Just go ahead and tap on it, and a new note will be created. Now you can give any title, and then now to create checklist, you can see various icons at the bottom. You can see the circle with the check mark, tap on it. So this will create a circle. Now you can write your checklist. You can just move tap on enter, and then a new checklist will be created automatically. So like this, you can create a checklist, and once you're done, you can just tap on the circle and put in a tick mark. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.